Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with I got these off Amazon. They're the Born Pretty Cateye Aurora polishes, and they're not gel, and they have a shift to them. So like this one looks purple and green. And then if you want to use less polish, I always recommend putting on a black base, because one, it just makes it stand out more. Because like I tried putting it over regular, because this is colored like acrylic dip powder, and you can see like the difference, but it just stands out so much better on black. And then you use less polish too. So I'm just going to get into the swatches, and this one is the 3D Magnetic Aurora series, and this is the Summit BPMA03, and that's how it looks. And then again, you don't need a UV or LED lamp for these, because they're just regular polish, which I said in the last one with the ones with the hollow in them. I love that, because if you're putting it on your natural nails, you don't always want to have to soak it off or use a file and like constantly grind it off. So it does work too. It's nice to have like Cateye and shifting polish and regular polish, not gel sometimes. So and then, do you see? It's got that beautiful shift to it. Next, I'm going to go in with, let's see, what is this one? This one is the Aurora Borealis BPMA06. And this one's like purple and like a darker blue. So let's see how this one comes out on here. And it's nice because depending on like the background you put them on, they do look different a little bit. Okay, so then next, go in with, let's just move up the line here. You know what, maybe it'll be easier if I just, take those two out. This one is Lightning BPMA02. And it's nice because you buy these all in a kit, so you don't have to worry about, you know, paying for each one individually. You just get the whole set, which I'll put the Amazon link down below. I just really like that there. Not gels. Gels are great for a lot, but sometimes you do just want regular polish. Oh, that one's really pretty. So it's almost got like that rose gold and like yellow greenish tint. So yeah, that's gorgeous. So next, let's see. Let me close this bottle, because I am a klutz when it comes to doing stuff sometimes. This one is BPMA05 and Art. Looks like that. And then that's how it looks. And then once you put this on, it kind of, it just shows it in the middle and just takes it all away from the sides. So, you know what? Let's see. I have another one here. See, now that one looked a little different. Maybe it was starting to dry. Let's see. Let's kind of blend that out of there. Uh-oh. That magnet literally... Okay, this is a strong magnet. Okay, well, it did the same thing, but that's how it looks. Still really pretty. Wow, I can't believe they came right out of there. You know what? Maybe I'll keep it out so I can... Okay, next. Let's go in with this one. And this is like purple. And it is Night and Ply BPMA04. So let's work a little faster so we could get that nice line on there, that nice cat eye. There we go. So we got that purple shifted cat eye. Kind of looks pink depending on how you look at it. And I believe this is my favorite right here, which is this one right here. And it is called Astral Realm BPMA01. Okay, and that's how it looks. Let's just throw it on here. Super pretty. And if, I don't know, see how the line, sometimes when I do the line, it's very thin and straight. If after a couple minutes you wait, I kind of see it spread a little bit, which I kind of like because then it gives it more of like color to it. It's not just one sharp line and that's it. But what you guys think? I think these are beautiful. So I do have the hollow ones. They're the same thing kind of. They just have hollow. They're the 90 something ones. I don't even remember. But it's in one of the videos. But they are very beautiful. Again, they're from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They are Born Pretty. And they are... I always forget how big these are. They are... And I don't see it. 6 bottles. And I have a little paper in here. But I don't know. I think there's 6 ml, but don't quote me on it. But they are beautiful. And okay, I found one of my other Born Pretty bottles, and yeah, it is. It's 6 ml, 0.2 fluid ounces. And they are the same size. See, these ones have like little hollow flakes, like specks in them. But they're the same size, so only I bought these all separate, and this one came in a nice package deal. These were the Hollow 3D Magnetic Star River series. And these are the Aurora series. So let me know what you think down below. I will post some pictures afterwards. Thank you for watching. And have a blessed, safe, and wonderful day. Bye. I'm sorry. I had to come back. I want to say one thing. The magnet is not included in this set. So I will put down below a couple cheap magnets you could purchase. I'll put the one that's like this with the round. But yeah, I just wanted to state that the magnet, if you do purchase them, isn't included. So again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.